Hey, look what I just got. A Bose Wave radio. Music system. A Bose Wave music system 4. CD player. Remote control. Amazon Alexa enabled. Oh, I wanted one of these for a while. And I was watching it the other night and I'm like, not gonna buy it, not gonna buy it. It was a special price. The next day, it was a special price for that day only. And the next day, it was the same price. So I bought it. What I really liked is because it's Bluetooth and it can hook up to my new TV and it's supposed to sound really good, although I have 7.1 surround sound here. Plus, listen to CDs, you know, we got a lot of CDs. And you can stream your phone right to it, or anything that's Bluetooth. And I just always wanted one, and now they're so more advanced, I figured I'd get myself one. I'm gonna unbox it for you right now, all right? Wanna look at it? All right, look, I'll let you see what I see. No, you see it before me. Watch. It's heavy. Remote. Easy to hook up, one wire. Woo! Supposed to be instructions. What's this? A CD? Oh, nice. They can be a CD of something. Aquarium. Carnival of the Animals. Oh, okay, this is just a demonstration CD. That's nice, thank you. Clamshell packaging. I won't call it that, wire. But it smells so good. It smells like any new electronics you would open. And here she is down there. I got the black color. They call it espresso black. Oh, it has a touch. You turn it on just by touching the top of it. We're gonna find out. Nice weight to it. There's a remote. Supposed to have a voucher here for that Alexa attachment, but I don't see that anywhere. Do I? Well, we're supposed to have a voucher for that Alexa thing, what's not here. Once it's hidden somewhere in the fine print.
Maybe it's taped on the case. Like, no, the box, because that's where the packing slip is.
Oh, that might come separately.
Maybe.
That might be shipped separately. Okay, no big deal. It'll take a while to think about this anyway. To learn it up, I really didn't want Alexa, but it's gonna be cool for, I don't know what. Where's the knife I had? Where's my knife? I gotta plug it in. Right here. The remote is cool. Yeah, I'm gonna connect Bluetooth with my new TV and hear how this sounds watching a movie later tonight. Nice 8 or 9 feet cord, I think. Look at this. Nice. Plug it in, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Only goes one way. On the back there is, before I do this, it's where you plug the power. You can plug an FM antenna in there. Bose link. The auxiliary in and headphones. The auxiliary in is where the Alexa would go, or some other kind of auxiliary gadget. Plug it in. Watch it. Is it alive? Yeah, look, please. Oh, look at this. Please wait, it said. Look, you just touch the top of it. Oh, and it goes on. See? Alright, there's a radio station. Alright, you know what? This is so cool. Even the static sounds good. Listen to the bass in that static. Cool remote. I wonder if it needs an antenna to get a station. We gotta set this up like the time and things like that. Let's see, tune.
WDI1.
Yeah, look at this.
88.1 FM and on translated.
All right, and you know what's a coincidence? The other day, Kathy was at this yard sale and got all these CDs. Look, before I even, well, she didn't know I got this, and she said, "Guess what? I got all these CDs. Look at these. Look at Ronstadt, Al Jackson, country, 60s, 70s, Mozart, Chopin, Paul Simon, Yo-Yo Ma. What the heck? Meatloaf, Carpenter, 60s classics." Right? Letterman, Billy Joel. Look at me. She paid $12 for this, for all these CDs. Berlin, Michael Feinstein, whoever that is, Frank Sinatra. Wow. There's Mary Clooney. My House, classics. It's incredible, isn't it? Anyway, for $12, jazz, if you like that. She got all these CDs. And by coincidence, I got that great Bose CD player. But I can't play none of that now because of copyright problems. But I have a CD with just me singing. How do you open it? Oh, you just stick it in, watch. Hey, see it?
Keep them alive.
See that? All right. It's okay, this is me singing. See how it sounds. Where's the volume? Here. How's it sound? Oh, bass. That's not me singing, that's music. Cool. All right, that's me. That's not copyrighted, I don't think. Change tracks. Alright, you can put it on random or shuffle or whatever. Sounds good so far. Now that's just not a great quality CD, but sounds good to me. She got something cooking outside there. Oh my God, let's go see. I'm gonna show you what she got cooking out there. This is cool, isn't it? Been to get to Bose Wave Radio Sound Machine. What are you cooking out there?
Check it out.
What is that?
It's gonna be a steak fajitas. I'm making some fajita shells and
Wow.
some cheese on it, and
Got your new grill that you got on? What did you get
Yeah.
that for Christmas?
I got it from you for Christmas. Thank you very much.
Sizzle.
It's so nice.
Going on tortillas there?
Because what I'm gonna do then is just take some tortilla shells. And I'm gonna put them on here with some Cajun spice. Spice it up,
All right.
and we're gonna make them up and put some cheese on top. So,
I'm gonna go play with that radio.
okay, I'll bring you some nice supper in a
All right.
couple minutes.
I was hungry all day.
Oh, doesn't it smell good?
Yeah. All right.
This is tri-tip steak.
All right. I'm unboxing that so I can listen to it.
Okay, I'll make supper while you're doing it.
Time to eat. That food looks good out there. All right. All right, that's cool, isn't it? I really love this Bose Wave Music System 4. I'm gonna learn a little bit more about it. I'm glad you watched me unbox it. I hope you got yours. We're gonna check out that demo CD they sent us too. And I guess I'll get that Amazon Alexa voucher maybe tomorrow, because I had this shipped overnight. Because I'm special. All right, everybody, stop back soon. Please subscribe. I'm gonna listen to a movie on this tonight. And some CDs while I'm eating them fajitas out there. Just a quick update after learning a little bit more and reading the directions. This unit is not Bluetooth compatible, but when you use the Alexa Echo input, it becomes Bluetooth compatible. And that's the piece that I'm waiting to have delivered. Should be here within a week or so. And then we can run it through the TV and your phone and all that, and talk to Alexa and ask it questions and let it listen to you and all that. And another thing, if you're going to replace your TV speakers with this and use it for a sound bar or a surround sound system, I would say it's probably 10 times or more better than your regular TV sound that you're getting. But I have a Sony 7.1 surround sound system, and this doesn't compare to that. So I'm not going to use it for that. No way it compares to a big surround sound system. But we listened to a lot of CDs last night, and it sounds pretty good. So anyway, I'll let you know a little bit more as I learn it, and when I get that Amazon Alexa add-on, I'll unbox it and show you. So that's what I learned so far. That's pretty good. I like it. I'm going to keep it. I thought I'd send it back because it doesn't compare with my surround system, because I wanted to use it for my TV, but I really don't need it for that. CDs are great. Amazon Alexa is going to be fun, maybe. And that's all I got to say about it right now. Hope you're having fun with yours. It's cool. I like it. See ya.